College days, yeah. Of course, apart from getting married to a very lovely, handsome, and rich guy, I also wanted to create an identity for myself. And yes, I was highly ambitious and wanted to pursue a lot of things and learn a lot of things and become very successful in my life. Yeah.
I had many dreams as a teenager. Two dreams that I can recall at the moment are one, I wanted to make movies, and I had prepared stories and scripts for quite a few, I think couple of movies, and I wanted to act in them. I wanted to be the director, I wanted to be the lyricist, the music composer, the dress designer, so everything I wanted to do. And second dream was to become the first lady president of India. So by the time I entered college, I was pretty sorted, little practical as well.
Yeah, in my college days, I was always relegated to the background. So I rather aspired that I would be noticed, I would be recognized, I would be complimented, I would be appreciated. And I said, look, one day at least people should look up and sort of look at me and say, wow, that wow factor. That was a dream, and that aspiration went on for years, and I think after a very long time it happened. So
To get a good job, because that time we didn't have any computers and all my friends did shorthand typing, and I thought even I should do that. I didn't knew what will be my future, but even I did shorthand, I did typing. One fine day, the newspaper, my husband had read about the big advertisement of ICBI, and he showed me. And I said, well, this is a good course I should think of for my daughter. And she was, I think she won't get that much in, she had this liking for what it was there in ICBI. So, but he said, she is so small now, why don't you think for yourself? Then he said, this is for you, this is the right thing for you. So he is the biggest support system.
in fact, after spending 25 years in the corporate world, I suddenly decided that I had enough of the 9 to 5, so to say, a job, and I said I wanted to do something else. So I left a corporate comfortable job and set up my own financial services company, where we used to do work with small and medium-sized companies, taking care of all their turnkey requirements. And then also I was not very happy, because that's where my wife told me that you are again getting relegated to the background. You need to have more public interface, more public interaction. Then I happened to see an ad of Image Consulting Business Institute. So I think that was the turning moment in my entire life.
So ICBI happened at a very interesting point in my life. I was doing very well professionally. However, when my kids came along the way and it was time to prioritize, I decided to hang up my corporate shoes, and because it required a lot of traveling, it was not what I was looking for. And since aesthetics and creativity has been like a bug sitting dormant within me all throughout, I moved into art consulting, and I used to help corporates and individuals procure canvas paintings for investment or for personal consumption. So I used to basically help people decorate their walls and add that pinch of aesthetics that was needed in their life. While I was doing all this, I came across ICBI advertisement, and it was like literally, coming towards me. So many times in newspaper and through a couple of people that I heard about it, and I was intrigued. So I wanted to know what is in it for me. And I just decided to take the plunge and explore it and know how else can it satisfy my intellectual as well as creative thirst that is there within me. and give a wholesome structure to add something more meaningful to the kind of work that I want to undertake. So ICBI, I think, was the perfect answer that satisfied that entire need that I was looking for at that moment in my life.
Well, it's a long and short story. Like 20 years back, I had joined Orchids Finishing School, which had grooming and table manners and dining etiquette and all those kind of things. So after I did, it was a course of 6 to 7 sessions. So after I finished doing that course, continuously I was looking out for something which had more structured learning and something more in detail through which I could impart more to people. So I was continuously looking out for some courses which will help me enhance or polish me more. And so finally I happened to bump into the newspaper, the advertisement of Image Consulting Business Institute. And yes, I thought, this is what I was looking for.
I have individual clients, I have clients from different walks of life, so homemakers, professionals, doctors, businessmen, bankers. I have few high profile retainer clients also, people who are in the leadership position, and it's very important for them to reflect the right kind of image, because their image actually portrays and reflects the image of the company or the organization that they are representing. So hand holding them is very satisfying. Then corporate workshops, mentoring of college students. I even have worked with children from underprivileged section of the society, children with special needs, and also people who deal with children with special needs, because it's a very challenging task. So for them to stay motivated and give more than 100% and do their job better, it helps to do a hand holding for them, and it's been very satisfying for me. Recently I have been awarded Savvy Honors Award for Women's Achievers, and I was one among the 17 women from different fields of work across India, and I was the only image consultant who was felicitated for her body of work. So that was a big achievement.
I trained more than 2,000 children of Singhania school before actually getting certified, and I trained their 300 teachers, 300 to 400 teachers on grooming and dining etiquette. So my journey began with Singhania school and Future Group. Now also I'm still associated with them, and then I did recently I did training for fashion consultants and business managers and CRAs of Raymond's, almost 250 to 300 of them. It was on product training and grooming and everything related to clothing. Then right now I'm associated with Praveen Gandhi Law College, where I'm training students of law college. I trained them on grooming and power of personal appearance. Then I did dining etiquette sessions with them. So it's like the journey, the work has never stopped since I have started pursuing the course. So it's like a lot of energy is flowing in me, and the moment I hear that tomorrow there's training, like I'm up on my toes, even though if I'm not well. So I always tell to all my friends that there's a lot of work in this field. It is just that you need to have the right kind of attitude, and work. It's continuously keeping me occupied.
So there are two sort of sets of work which I do. The one is of course the individual consulting, where I have done work for professionals, for businessmen, for homemakers. I have done for a Chinese linguist. I have done for a lawyer. And in terms of the business school, we have done about 45 to 50 programs with business schools all across the country, and about 4,000 students I would have trained by now, right from their orientation program right to their summer internship and also their final placements, how they need to present the right image, the do's and don'ts of grooming, interview techniques, GDs. In other words, how to be a well-rounded professional and jumpstart their professional career. That's one part of the training. The second part was in the corporate world, and I have done a lot of programs with financial services company, IT, software, retail, travel and tourism, IT infrastructure, where right from induction programs for new employees, right to senior leadership teams for executive presence and power dressing, all the areas of image management have been covered, so to say. And so I have the two things are there. One is of course the individual consulting, which I have done about 40 plus, and the total workshops broken up, combined into business schools and corporates, I would have run about 148, 149. We soon will be reaching the magical figure of 150 very soon. So this is what it is, and plus we added a lot of image consultants to our fold. I converted my proprietorship concern into a private limited company. Now we have full-fledged Image Gurukul training and consulting company, where we have a team of people who partner me in terms of all the initiatives which take both in the individual consulting as well as in the corporate training. That's what it is.
To me personally, I think I found that this program has done wonders for Sunil. It brought back the confidence, it brought back the absolute extrovert that he always was but had become an introvert for a period of time. The tremendous confidence that I see in him, the positivity that we've experienced as a family. Well, we have a personal image consultant available to us at all times, but I think even when I look at it from a perspective, yes, it's been a meeting of minds of sorts, with me being an HR professional, and I firmly believe in the subject that he's taken up. And today I think it gives me a very positive feeling to see a very good roadmap ahead for both of us as professionals to come together. We're able to add value to each other, which also brings in a very large amount of positivity in our relationship. There's a lot we contribute towards each other. There are viewpoints we can discuss today which brings a common ground. But as a person, I think tremendous confidence, a lot of mastery in the subject has brought in a lot of eagerness and hunger for learning in him. And I think the overall confidence with which he conducts himself today, it's a pleasure to be around him. I think we all owe it to each other as partners to identify the strengths, because who else can know us better versus the two that live together.
My mother's success has made me proud, and I think I aspire to become an image consultant as well.
So I think as Nisha mentioned, I actually got her back. I met her in college, and I had always seen her as a very confident, very fashionable teen. And somewhere, I think she got involved with the marriage, motherhood, social responsibilities. So somewhere, I also used to feel pressurized as to, what's happening. But with ICBI coming in, I think it has transformed her immensely. I've kind of got her back. She's more confident, she's more assuring, and more than anything, she's also financially independent now. So yeah, it's a big change and we are loving it. Every talent deserves an opportunity, and I think with ICBI, Nisha got the correct platform to work to her true potential. And it is important that everybody gives that opportunity to the partner.
I think it has brought a drastic change in her life, because she was first an introvert, but then after when she came to ICBI, she started mixing up more with people, started talking to them, and even her communication skills improved a lot. And the best part I love about this is that her dressing sense improved a lot. It was good from before, but then it improved and changed a lot after ICBI.
Changes, so I have seen 180-degree change. She has changed a lot actually. And communication skills, she was totally introvert when I married to her actually. She used to ask me what to talk, क्या बात करने का, किससे क्या पूछने का. But now I am keeping quiet and she is taking the lead everywhere in all our family functions. And that is giving me a tremendous satisfaction. I am very happy with her improvements, and thanks to ICVI for that. I will say that you have to encourage your partners, don't underestimate them, and at the same time give them an opportunity, give them a chance actually, so that they can have their own identity for longer term.
When I saw my mother getting the prestigious award and climbing up the stage, I felt so happy that she got such a nice award, and that even I'm seeing and even I'm in the function. So I felt very nice because of my mom. She got a very nice achievement, and she even helps me out with my studies, including with her work. That's why she's very nice.
My mom is like, I'm very happy with her achievements, and she's very inspiring to me. And looking at these achievements, I'm so happy that I love flaunting it all to my friends. And now even I'm planning to grow up and become an image consultant like her and do these wonders like what she's done.
After she's done the ICBI course, I feel there's a marked change. The first change that I see in her is her confidence level. It's very, very high now. She was always confident, but I can see much higher level of confidence. Then what I see her, that she's developed a good business acumen, because now she's a self-employed business person, so to say, for which she got awarded as well. So her business acumen, the way of looking at things is much more mature. And the last thing I would say, which comes naturally to her and as a result of this course, is the level of sophistication, the style quotient, everything has gone up manyfold. So because of all these changes, I am very happy, and it has been a very big and good change for our family as a whole. Okay, so if you have a talented partner, then it is your responsibility to nurture that talent, and that is especially true if you are a man, and because what happens that women naturally tend to take up all or most of the responsibilities of the house. So it becomes your responsibility to nudge the talent whenever you get the opportunity.